Okay, we're now in Uppsala, a small town north of Stockholm, and we're gonna go and put the car on a road test dyno, where you put all the 4 wheel hubs on a dyno to see the power on the wheels, and also we have measured the weight of the car, so we see the weight and power, and also it's no slip because you put the measurement on the wheel hubs directly. And let's put this into dynamic. But to summarize this car now after a couple of days and some active driving with it, is that it's where it really shines is the acceleration. I mean, 0 to 100 we managed 3.4 seconds once, 3.5 all the time, and sometimes 3.6, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour on GPS. And that was also with 2 people in the car at some times, but the 3.4 time was with 1 person in the car. And that acceleration with great comfort makes this car quite unique, that you could do 3.5 seconds all the time, 0 to 100. And also you have this A8 class comfort. However, it's not an RS6 when it comes to handling, but still I was surprised how much more oversteer it has and much more fun it is compared to the regular S8. I remember the S8 as it was understeering all the time, but this is doing like, it's fun to push on the limit. Oversteers a lot more, I would say. And also it's always grip, it's never any surprise, which is great. Even more bikers in this town than in Stockholm. Careful. So nice sound, it's not as loud, it doesn't have the explosions, unburned fuel explosions as the S8 or RS6. It's much more comfort oriented than the RS6. But you still have all these luxury features as in the A8 that you doesn't have in RS6. Large, wide seats and all this space. So it's going to be sad to part ways with it, but it's been a lot of fun, much more fun than the regular S8, I would say. So it's a S8 with a edge. Thank you. Bye.